If you hold a 401k in the United States, own a US tech stock, or you are waiting for mortgage rate to fall before refinancing your home, what is happening in Strait of Hormuz? It is no longer just a geopolitical story. It has become a personal financial story. According to the European Central Bank and the World Bank, the closure and maritime blockade of the Strait of Hormuz, it has removed nearly 14 million barrels of oil per day from global market. That makes it one of the biggest energy supply disruptions in modern history, by the way. And when that much oil disappears from the market, the impact does not stay confined to West Asia. It reaches Wall Street, your investment, and even your monthly mortgage payment. For years, investors believed that the US Federal Reserve would soon begin cutting interest rate. To lower the borrowing cost was expected to fuel another rally in technical stock. Many make business expansion cheaper and finally bring mortgage rate down after years of expensive loans. Many homeowners delayed refinancing, expecting cheaper credit in months ahead. Many investors increased their exposure to growth stock, believing the era of high interest rate was coming to an end. But this oil shock has changed the whole equation, ladies and gentlemen. When oil prices rise sharply, well, transportation becomes expensive, shipping costs increase, and airlines pay more for fuel. Factories spend more to manufacture goods, even cost of delivering groceries, running warehouses, transporting raw material begins to climb. Eventually, higher costs are passed on to the consumers, pushing inflation much higher across the economy. And yes, that puts the Federal Bank into a difficult position. Its primary job is to control inflation. If inflation remains high because energy prices keep rising, the Fed has very little room to cut interest rate. Instead of cheaper borrowing, Americans could face higher interest rate for much longer than anybody expected. And that is why this is not just another West Asian headline. A conflict thousands of miles away is now influencing financial decisions inside American households. Whether you are planning to buy a home, refinance your mortgage, invest in the stock market, or simply protect your retirement saving, the Strait of Hormuz has suddenly become one of the most important economic choke points in the world, and its impact could be felt for months to come. Well, for years, social media has been seen as a place to share moments from your daily lives. A vacation picture, maybe, a family gathering, a short video from your work. Most people upload these posts without thinking twice. But according to the US military, in today's world, even a seemingly harmless social media post, it can become valuable intelligence for an enemy. Military officials are now warning soldiers and their entire families to be extra careful about what they share online. The concern is simple. A photograph, a location tag, or even the background of a video can reveal far more information than people do realize. Modern intelligence agencies are no longer depending only on satellites or spies. Open source intelligence has become a powerful tool, and publicly available information is increasingly being used to track military activity. You think about it. A single picture uploaded from a military base could reveal the location of the troop. A celebration video might accidentally expose military equipment. Even fitness tracking apps, location services, or tagged photos can provide valuable information when combined with satellite images and AI. Individually, if we see, then these details may look insignificant, but together they can help build a surprising, accurate picture of military move. And this is exactly why the US military has started reminding its personnel that operational security is no longer limited to the battlefield. It now extends to smartphones, social media accounts, and every digital platform people use every single day. While the warning reflects a much bigger reality, modern warfare is changing rapidly. Today, information itself has become a weapon. Winning a war is no longer just about having stronger missiles or larger armies. It is also about controlling information and preventing sensitive details from falling into the wrong hands. Well, as conflict become increasingly tech-driven, governments around the globe are paying greater attention to cybersecurity, digital surveillance, and online intelligence than ever before. But yes, while governments are trying to protect military secrets, another battle is unfolding. But this one is behind closed doors. This one isn't being fought with missiles or tech. It is being fought with diplomacy, negotiations, and high-stakes political decisions that could shape the future of the entire West Asia.